from Joya Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up card videos, please push that subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified when my videos release. So here is my January paper pumpkin. So let's go ahead and open it up. I've already actually gone through it a little bit, and these are the cards that they have you making. So it comes with some black ribbon, and the ink is Poppy Parade, and we've got these stamps. So it's got a heart, and the sentiments are sending love your way, you, hi Valentine, be mine. So that's that. And then they've got a bunch of cutouts here, and then some more sentiment cutouts. And then your card bases look like so. And you got some more just pieces to go on card fronts. And your envelopes are really pretty. Those are nice. Oh, here's some more cutouts and dimensionals and some glue dots and some pretty little stick-on things. So I'm going to do their cards, and then I'll show you what I got, and then I'll do my alternative. So I'll be right back. So here's their two cards, and they were super, super fast and easy. The only recommendation I'll give you is when you're stamping this stamp here in that heart, either use a Stampin' pad and put your ink on here as well and your piece and use a Stampin' pad, or use your Stamparatus because it's a big stamp and you want to get it as dark as possible. So Stamparatus or the Stampin' pad. Other than that, I mean, everything was simple. These little light pink hearts are really cute. They have them sporadically here. Love the ribbon. It's a full thing of ribbon, and it's thin black ribbon, which is also great because I think you just have more uses for the ribbon. So, I mean, if you don't have a subscription, you can go ahead and click on the body of my video, and you can get a subscription. But, I mean, you always have these nice things left over after you're making the cards for putting in your little stash. So, anyway, so here's those cards, and I'm going to come back with my alternatives. But if you do look on the back here, they have some more alternatives of their own, but I'm going to come up with mine. So, I'll be right back. So I'm back, and of course these are Paper Pumpkins cards, and I just wanted to show you, I don't like not doing my insides, so I did my insides here. Alrighty, I've got 7 alternatives for you, and we're going to start out with this one. And what's interesting, everything is from the kit except for the heart resins, and this is Blushing Bride paper, and these are also the matte black dots that are really cute, and then I put their hearts in, and these gold hearts are actually from this right here. I put this piece on my Brother Scan and Cut, and I cut the inside and out and made 2 of these hearts. So that was nice, and of course black and Blushing Bride for the paper. So that is my card number 1. Here's the second one. And of course the base is from Paper Pumpkin and the love is from Paper Pumpkin. And I cut the die from Detailed Hearts. And then I put the Real Red Rhinestones on there, which I absolutely love. And then on the inside it's just basic white, real red, and black. So that is card number 2. Here's my third card, and it's the Paper Pumpkin base. This is basic black. I use the resin hearts on here. This is from Stitch So Sweetly. This heart is from Many Hearts, but this in the middle, this is from the Paper Pumpkin kit, and what I did is I embossed it in gold embossing powder along with the love, which is also from the kit, and the gold embossing powder. And I put it up on dimensionals on the heart here. And then inside, this heart is from Many Hearts, and this is from the kit, and I just used a Poppy Parade paper, white and black. So this is number 3. Here's card number 4, and what I've done is most everything is actually from the Paper Pumpkin kit. Of course, the card bases, the light pink little hearts, the black edging, And the snail and all the sentiments here and the little details on the side. The only thing extra on the front here is the frame is from snail dies. And then on the inside, it's just Blushing Bride and Basic White. And I cut this with Stitch So Sweetly. So this is my card number 4. Here's card number 5. Now this time I put the base as the Blushing Bride base. And then this in the front, this DS paper is from Snail Mail. So I cut that. And the dies are from Many Hearts. And this background is Stitched So Sweetly, and this is from Many Hearts as well. But the mailbox obviously is from Paper Pumpkin. And oh, I also put in the resin hearts here as well. And also the pink hearts here are from the Paper Pumpkin kit. And then I open it up and I just use the Poppy Parade and black and the sentiment from the kit. So this is card number 5. Here's card number 6. Now this one is different. I used the Paper Pumpkin base, and this of course is from Paper Pumpkin. The ribbon and the sentiment is from Paper Pumpkin. This is a die from Many Hearts. It's one die and I cut it out. If you notice, it's backed here. So I cut actually on the base here, and then I also cut it again in black because these little black frames here are actually from the die that I pulled out. And then these hearts coordinated when I cut this out, because when you cut this out you get a little frame and a little heart. So I used a black heart and the frame from the base, and I created this, so I layered them up. And you have to have a piece under it, so there's a piece of paper under it, so I had to put a piece on the back here. And then I cut this frame which Stitched So Sweetly. And these frames, believe it or not, this pink one is from the kit. The other two are from ornate frames and they fit perfectly. And then I stamped this in Memento. Most of the stamping is either the gold embossing folder, Memento, or the Poppy Parade. And then inside I did the Poppy Parade, and I had to do the paper on both sides here, and then black, Basic White. And then when using this die, especially when you were doing that gold embossing, use your Stamparatus. This is a very detailed die. It will not go 100% just using a block. So you do need to use your Stamparatus, but I thought this one was cute. So this is card number 6. This is my final card, card number 7. And the card base is from Paper Pumpkin. And the love is from Paper Pumpkin. And then I use Many Hearts for this detail here, the heart and the outside heart and the middle heart. But also from Paper Pumpkin, if you can see this black here, that's the ribbon that I pulled in and out of the heart. I'm going to do that again when I do my actual cards on that kit. So I thought this was really cute. And this is, of course, gold foil here. I embossed this in gold. It's all really pretty. This is my favorite one. I always save the prettiest for the last. And then just inside, I used Poppy Parade black, Basic White, and this sentiment is also from Heartfelt. So that is card number 7. So you can see all the cards that I made, and of course the basic ones you get from the kit. And there are so many possibilities with Paper Pumpkin. If you would like a Paper Pumpkin subscription, contact me. Go to the contents of the video and you'll find all my information to contact me, and I can get you set up. So that's it. Thanks a lot. Bye.